Here we have the Range Rover Velar in silicon silver. You have a black contrasting roof, privacy glass, 21-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, a powered tailgate with plenty of space for all your personal items, and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have Panoramic script tread plates and an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with sat-nav and rear view camera, making your parking easier. You can also connect your phone, which is handy if you want to make or receive calls, and all of this can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making it easier and safer when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, along with 20-way heated and cooled front seats, which are also massage, which is a luxury to have. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 14,610 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.